Hello, Amy. Brad here. I'm setting up your video, and I wanted to thank you for giving me the time to do this for you. Um, so we're going to jump right into this. There's three things we're going to go over quickly. One is your content, your backlinks, and your citations. Content, Amy, has to do with how many words you have on your web page. Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. So what we're going to do right now, Amy, as you can see, I got this highlighted out up here. This is your company, and this is your web page, of course. I'm going to go into something that's called word count. And as you can see, I already have your name pasted in here. And it looks like you guys have about 611 words. So you're slightly off what we need to be. Again, Google counts all of these things, and in order to keep you in the position you're at or getting higher, we need you should get this up to 1,500. Let's check out your competitors while we're here. There is one above here, but I couldn't bring their web page up to copy their URL. So we're going to copy down this one. And we're going to put it in word count. They only have 255. So you've got them outbeat here, and that's probably why you're beating them in the map pack and such as we'll go over that here in a moment. This site right here, by the way, is free. You guys can download it off the internet and you can check your words on your web page. It's real simple. Like you saw, I just copied and pasted and it brings up everything you need to know. A keyword, by the way, we're going to talk about keywords next, Amy. A keyword is anything something might type into Google looking for a particular service. For example, here, I typed in plumbing and heating in Fitchburg just to find your competitors and stuff. So that is a keyword. And you want to keep your keywords pertaining to what you guys do in business. For example, you work on plumbing. If there's another niche that you have going on, if it's heating, um, that's a keyword. So these are different things that you'll want in your web page. And speaking of keywords, this is another tool I use, Amy. It's called Ahrefs. Okay. This one, however, is not free. And what this does is it gives us some information down here that we'll go over. We were just talking about keywords. You guys have 398 keywords, okay? And that's in the organic search. Let's see what your competitors are doing. Keywords. So they got you guys outbeat, ranked actually in the keywords, okay? So you're beating them on word count, but yet they're beating you on keywords. And again, this is what brings people to your web page. Let's go back here. So I'm going to jump into backlinks next, Amy. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. Okay. These links act like an endorsement for your business from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's kind of like a popularity contest, okay? I think that makes pretty much sense to you. We don't have to get into that much more. But let's talk about backlinks. Right here, you have backlinks. You have 952. And these are your backlinks, okay? Benjamin Plumbing, sixth best in Madison. I don't quite understand that. Quality water, again, Benjamin. Experts, Benjamin. Kitchen remodeling. So this is some of the other niches that you guys use to get people drawn to you. All right, and as you can see, there's some that are better than others. Okay, so you're getting traffic 1.8 from this word alone. Okay, and again, here's another 2.8 from Benjamin. 1.8. Okay, I'm going to go back quickly here. I forgot to bring up your keywords. So back to keywords, you guys have 399, like I mentioned. We're just going to check and see what these keywords are, if they make sense to what you're doing. And what I'm going over here, it looks like you guys got a lot of good keywords in there. That's excellent. Let's go to your competitors. Again, Monona. Again, I got their www up here. Again, like I said, backlinks. They got quite a few. Again, they're using these different things right here. Some of them are the same as what you guys are using. Best water heating stuff. So again, they're using a lot of things that you are as well. So we can get you up to the backlinks here. Now they got 992 keywords. Like I said, I think that has to do with the fact that you got them outranked in how many words you have, your content. So their keywords, like this one, I don't know what this is, but it's still getting people going to their web page. Um, Again, this one, the only thing I can see in here is decorate, maybe. That's bringing in 900 business plan writers. Again, I don't know how they're. This is probably another reason why you're outranking them. We'll go to that here in a little bit. Alrighty. So their keywords, their backlinks, your backlinks, and your keywords. Alrighty. So the next thing I would like to talk about, Amy, um, is citations. A citation is anywhere in your business name, number, and address that are shown exactly as they are in your Google business profile. Citations help you to rank. And what it refers to is this right here. This is what's called a map pack, Amy. Okay. And again, I see you guys are ranked right in the top here, but I said I think that has to do with the fact of how many words you have. And like I said, what I mentioned just a little bit ago has to do with your keywords. They're stronger than what your competitors are. Sorry about that. So again, this is Map Pack. This is the number 2 spot when people are looking for plumbing, whatever it is that they're looking for. This is what pops up. I'm sure you've seen this before when you've searched for things. Again, your ranking, again, I due to the fact that you have more words out there on your web page and the fact that they don't have very good keywords. Okay. Down here, this is called the organic section. Okay. Now, as we go through here, as I go through, I'm going to see if we can find your name. Okay. I don't see Benjamin so far. That's the first page. Second page. I'm not seeing you on the second page either. We'll go one deeper just for the fun of it. Again, I'm not seeing you guys so far here. So you guys aren't even in the top 3. And with that in mind, Amy, this is the number 1 spot that people go to. So if they're looking for plumbers, they're not necessarily going to click on these. That's number 2 spot. They're going to click in the very first one or second or third one that's in their area, in the area that they're looking for. Okay. So this, we want to get you to the number 1 spot here. You're already the number 1 spot here, but we want to make sure you stay there. Well, in closing, Amy, I just want to say that I am an independent person here, okay? Um, but we get people right into this spot. If you need referrals or anything like that, let me know. I can show this to you. But I've already gone through quite a few things that can help you guys to build your business even stronger, okay? Um, Also, within this, let's say that you are getting 10% of your business from this area right here. If we can put you right up in here, we can probably gain business by about 50%. And of course, 50% is quite a bit more money with a lot more clients, customers come in, whatever that might be. So that's our goal right here. If you're interested in this video, you can use it for yourself. Like I said, it's a free video. You can implement these things into your web page that you currently have. Or if you would like to, you can contact me and I can go over this and give you a little bit more information, possibly do business with each other. You can reply to this email that I'm going to be sending this video to, or you can reach me at 608 574 2784. Thank you for your time, Amy, and have a great day.